No entrepreneur can do it all by themselves. Every entrepreneur has to have powerful partnerships, people or teams or companies they can link up with. In Nu Skin, we have two powerful partnerships. One is with the corporation Nu Skin. Nu Skin Enterprises is phenomenal. And you stop and think about a real business and a real company. What does it take in the network marketing arena to create a real opportunity, a real company? It's a lot more than just saying, hey, you can get in on the ground floor, or we got the latest juice, or we got this or that, or whatever their story is, okay? It takes decades of consistent focus, proven management, real investment, real R&D, real leadership in the field, people working together in a way to create a business that continually grows and expands. Today we sit here and we look at Nu Skin and we say, okay, what a phenomenal company. 26 plus years in business. Been through good times, been through bad times, up economies, down economies. There's a management team that understands how to run this business in all kinds of economic climates. This is an incredible company that's out there with a Dun & Bradstreet 5A1 rating. Most companies have lost their 5A1 rating in this last economic downturn the last 3 years. Nu Skin has maintained that rating for 17 years in a row. That is remarkable. So you're talking about a company that performs financially, listed in the top 100 most trustworthy public companies by Forbes magazine last year. That just doesn't happen because you know you're a good guy or something. It's because you've performed and you've done it consistently year after year after year. That's something that you can feel like you can bet your future on. You don't want to bet it on something that has no track record, has no history, no proven management, no kinds of ratings, nobody knows who they are. Why would you do that? Not a wise move. A business that's operating in 51 countries around the world. Do you know somebody from another country? Maybe you're from another country. Would you like to do business in other countries? I personally have a business that never sleeps. I make money 24/7. We go to sleep in the United States. That's okay. Asia wakes up. Asia goes to sleep. That's okay. Europe wakes up. Europe goes to sleep. That's all right because America's going to wake up next. And all the time, people are using Vitality. They're using their galvanic spas. They're putting on their transformation. They're swallowing their life pack. We just make money 24/7. Can you imagine a business like that? What would happen to you if you built a business that was unfortunately on Main Street in Port-au-Prince, Haiti, or any other place where a natural disaster, a flood, a fire, an earthquake, something comes along and you sunk your entire life's work into a location, into a city, making a name or a reputation, and you're one of the few that actually made it and your business worked and it's making money, you want to will it to your kids, and all of a sudden, bam, in a nanosecond, it's all gone. It's over. How would you like to have a business that's not based anywhere? It's just kind of out there in the cloud. It's kind of really nowhere. It's just this network of people that are linked together globally. A business no flood can sweep away. No earthquake can knock it down. No fire can burn it up. What about a business like that?